right? And then it keeps just going, and it doesn't do like a, it doesn't do, oh, it goes like, with this.
Get the juice, my doggy, and don't kill anyone.
I'm done with this game. If you zoom in, right, it's expanding, right? Right? So this is the universe, right? It's like the boundary. But what's here? What's there? Like right outside of it. If the universe is expanding, then what is not the universe then? What if you go to go? What if you were like, right? Oh, right? And you went past it, right? You with your vessel, right? And you went past the speed at which the universe is expanding, and you went zang past it. Then what is past the wall? Are you not hot?
Am I what?
Are you hot?
No. My brownies are about to burn though.
Okay. Listen, are you still there? Are you still there?
Yes.
Okay. If you go to my Twitch channel, okay, listen, I have a huge ass sub count. I make way more money than your husband. Listen, send me a DM, we can hook up. Fuck that guy, he's a degenerate right there. Send me a DM, alright? I'll talk to you later.
Oh my god.
Alrighty.
Put your husband back on.
Okay.
Green's a wife stealer.
Bruh, he stole your wife. He
That was
literally
worth
just
it,
younged
it was
her.
worth it.
She's gone for the money.
I don't know if I want that, though. I don't know if I want to feel like I've earned this. Like maybe in front of my family, my wives, and my wife and stuff like that. Right.
Let's have some fun then. You're sweet. Let's do it. Let's have some fun then. How much did I... Oh! I did it. Listen. I didn't know. And hire a bot to buy your channel. I want to know why, dude. It is not because you're unlucky. It is not because it is unfair. It is not because Twitch sucks. It is not because of the unfairness of the Twitch staff. It is not because of the bad bans of Twitch and the Reddit. It's because your channel is fucking trash. Yo, Fish Shook, what up, my dude? Are you the real one?
Yeah, I think I know you from TikTok.
What?
I think I know you from TikTok.
What TikTok?
Oh yeah, you're the one who slammed the floor!
This is a setup? Jesus Christ, dude! Okay, I could never stream with this shit, dude. This would be overwhelming, dude.
What do you think
Dude,
about my
what if you get mad and you just want to go, ah! Boom! Bang! Dude! We have to go. I'm about to be my pants after pizza as well.
I believe it is sometimes appropriate to use physical discipline on children.
You know, chat, listen. Guys, you guys are gonna hate for this, dude. You guys are gonna make articles made for this, dude. Yes! Fuck it! I think so, dude. Guys, I'm sorry. I think yes. I said it. Okay? I said it. Okay? If I did some stupid shit, I'd get a slap. I get bang! Right? And that resonated. Okay? It just did. Enough. Like, hey, man, thanks for taking subs, dude. That's cool, dude. But hey, dude, we're not at 30K. So, dude, guys, any more subs, guys? Can we get more gifts, guys? Because that's obviously that's not enough. More, please. Chat, we're not watching the whole thing. I'll tell you.
She see money all around.
Yo, shut me a.
We need one more then. Okay, Pogue, we need one more.
Maybe you could try again.
Chat, here's the rules, chat. Listen in. Once we start getting spicy, okay? You guys don't be weird champ, apologize for being rude. It's a Monopoly game, okay? I steal your money, I yoink your shit, you mortgage your house, I kill your dog. That's how it works. It's the rules, man.
Give me the love tonight. That's what it was.
Oh, that is his name, mother. Because he's like the other ones. He plays like this.
Pay to win, yeah.
Yeah, guys. Yeah, one on 10. Yeah. Yeah. Wait, I gotta watch the stream. Like, dude, what the fuck?
Whenever they want, and so I just said no, and
I don't give a fuck what he said. I'm still talking to him because it's content. Chat, otherwise, guys, I'm ending this. Did. I'll watch on my phone, Locky. You're right. Oh, in the dick! That's my king! Crushing balls!
I'm impressed that this dude can keep his jacket on like that without it ever falling.
Yeah, that doesn't count. Funny dono. That doesn't count. That doesn't count. It's funny dono did it. That doesn't count. Big wings. I don't know. Plain wings. What may I do? Oh, fly. Run an object. A plane, yo. Bird.
Hey Felix, Halo Master Chief Collection comes
Big
out
wings.
on PC tomorrow. Are you gonna play it?
I'm just thinking about.
Chat,
I'm just thinking about
imagine
all the properties that I get.
how delicious Hassan's tears will be when I suck his butthole juice.
Why don't you put delay on our new stream?
Oh my god, this again.
Oh, there you go.
Alright.
Because it's not
Okay, so this guy, he was a world record
gotta pick him at the same
for the
time. Can you be
fattest,
quiet for a
fucking
second?
disgusting
Just a second.
slime mom on the planet. Kill him fast before it hatches eggs. Okay, don't rush him. Don't lose your
I'm
guns.
not peeking shit, he's insane.
And you down 60 coffees, okay? Right? And then you go to your you go to your cubicle and you go. I can't believe I did it. I choked it. Cheating. Yeah,
Dude, you suck so much. I'm just kidding.
Yo, orange. I could be silver. I could be the worst player to log in. I can suck.
I'm kidding.
10 dicks a second.
Stop it.
I
Stop
will
beating
never
me.
suck dick
Stop it.
at the rate that your mom does it. And I'll never do as good as your mom does it. She is skilled. She is so skilled.
Get the mom jokes.
Now my wife's yelling at me.
You have a wife.
Yeah, 2 kids too.
You what? You have 2 kids.
2 daughters, yeah.
Oh, wait a minute. I can't move. Can you stop her?
No one knows who that leg belongs to. The 169th victim remains.
If you type in xQc.
Some conspiracy theorists argue that the leg may have belonged to the actual someone besides Timothy McVeigh, who was close enough to the explosion to be obliterated completely, except for one leg. Regardless,